In this tutorial, we will create a generic terrain.
A generic terrain is a completely based on height and slope dependent texturing. Start a new project. In the Elevation Data tab, load that file. We will be prompted to save our project. Do so. Click on the loaded file and zoom to selection so you can see the terrain. Now switch to land cover data in the command panel. Here you can change the setting for the height and slope dependent texturing under the rollups height ramps and slope ramps. Go back to the Elevation Data tab, and to better demonstrate the effect of the generic height dependent texturing, we are gonna double the scale of the elevation map. Now let's draw our grid. Go to the Build tab and in Generation set the projection on grid and apply it. Under Tile Grids, and we can click here and click on Generate Geotypic Objects. So we have some geometry with our texture, and here the texture resolution is gonna be 1024. Let's generate it. When the generation is finished, click on 3D. And here we go, here is our generic terrain. Notice the effect of the height and slope ramps. Here is shown the height of where I'm pointing with the cursor. See the correspondence between the rock texture and the displayed height. Notice too the smooth transition between textures. And that's all for today. See you next time.